Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix compass not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, enable location services on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn on location services, and then after this the next solution is remove any metal or magnetic items from your iPhone. So like this, I have metal and magnetic cover on my iPhone, so simply remove any magnetic from your iPhone. And then and then after this the next solution is turn on iPhone compass calibration. So for this, go to settings, so search here, so tap on compass, tap on use true north, go back, and then after this the next solution is reset location data. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. So here you can see tap on reset location and privacy, enter your passcode. So simply this will reset your location and privacy settings. So simply tap on reset location settings, and then after this the next solution is reinstall and collaborate the compass. So for this, delete the compass app from your iPhone. So simply delete and reinstall it again on your iPhone, and then sorry, and then go to App Store and install the compass app again from the App Store. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.